All right, so just a brief reminder about how to access the library page. If you log on to Atlas, this will be the first page you see. You can click on Search the Library. The internet's a little slow, so I just open it up in tabs here. This will be the first page that you come to, and then you're going to click on Databases A to Z, which will bring you here. I recommend that you start with Academic Search Complete. As we discussed in class, EBSCO is a giant collection of databases. So if you go up here to choose databases, I recommend you start with Academic Search Complete and the two master files. Now, as you start doing more research and you have a better idea where your topic is in terms of the academic discipline, you can look through these other databases to see if they're a better fit, but this is a really good start. You can hit OK. Now, keep in mind, if you click the Show All, it will show you all the databases you're currently looking. Make sure you don't click them all. If you click all the databases, one, it will take forever for the searches to go through. And then two, you'll have a lot of noise. You'll have a lot of articles that just aren't relevant to you. So I really recommend only do 3 or 4 max just to save on time. Also, don't forget these pull-down bars here. And will actually limit your results because keep in mind, both key terms have to show up. Or will expand. So as long as one of these terms shows up, you're going to get results for that. Keep in mind, I don't recommend using or unless you have an and somewhere on there. Otherwise, you're going to have thousands and thousands of results. Not's also very helpful. It will limit results that you don't want. So if you notice you keep getting sources from something that you're not interested in, you can do some digging, see what the keyword is, and then use the not feature to remove that. Also down here, remember as we discussed, click full text to make sure you get the entire source. And I do recommend that you limit yourself to 2,000 and up. Okay. So that will give you basic searches. Also keep in mind you can use this pull down bar. If you have titles or specific subject terms, these are the blue highlights we discussed before. You can use those to search as well. Another database I recommend would be Issues and Controversies. Keep in mind you can just click on the title, the first letter of the title here. So Issues and Controversies is this one. This is my answer to Wikipedia, as Wikipedia is really tricky to kind of use because anyone can edit that. I prefer Issues and Controversies. This is peer-reviewed, and as we discussed, that means that experts in the field have double-checked their sources, and they do include a works cited page. Let's just say we are going to look at adoption, for example. You can click on adoption, and this will give you the URL here. Oops. Here we go. And this will give you the introduction video in this case, and it will provide citation information there, which is quite handy. But let's say we want one of the topics in the hotbar. So let's say we want to play with gun control. So if you click on this, it will take you, eventually, my internet is very slow today. It's trying, there we go. So it will show you what the pro side and the con side, and then have a really nice background. And at the bottom here, it will have a bibliography, which can be really helpful. So I recommend starting with these two databases. There are plenty of other ones. Valencia has a great collection of databases, but these are the two I recommend that you start with as you start moving forward with your research. Happy researching!